Redmi Note 10 5G, Note 10 Pro 5G with Dimensity SoCs launched in China. After launching the Redmi Note 10s with the Helio G95 SoC in India recently, Xiaomi has launched two new Redmi Note 10 devices in China today. The Redmi Note 10 5G and Note 10 Pro 5G are pretty different from the Redmi Note 10 series that launched in India back in March this year. These devices pack MediaTek Dimensity 5G chipsets, 5000 mAh battery, support 5G connectivity, and more. So, let's take a look at the key specs and features of these new Redmi Note 10 devices. Shall we? Redmi Note 10 5G and Note 10 Pro 5G launched. Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G. Starting with the higher-end Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G, the device comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD IPS LCD panel, unlike its 4G counterpart, which is sold outside China and comes with an AMOLED panel. Nonetheless, the panel has a 120Hz screen refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It boasts a peak brightness of 1100 nits and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on top. Turning to the optics, the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G packs a triple camera setup at the back with a primary 6.4MP sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. The cameras are housed inside a rectangular module on the back. At the front, there is a 16MP selfie camera housed inside the centered punch hole cutout. Inside, the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G packs the MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chipset that is paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It also has a microSD slot onboard to expand the internal storage. As for the battery, the device packs a huge 5000 mAh battery with support for 67W fast charging. As per the company's claims, you can fully charge up the device in under 42 minutes. The Mi67W fast charger is included in the box. Apart from these, the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication and payments. Plus, it boasts high-res certified JBL-branded dual stereo speakers with support for Dolby Atmos. The device comes in three color variants, namely Magic Green, Moon Soul, and Star Yarn with a 3D stereoscopic texture at the back. It runs the Android 11-based MIUI 12.5 out of the box. Redmi Note 10 5G. Coming to the lower-end Redmi Note 10 5G, the device features a smaller 6.5-inch Full HD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The panel comes with a 2400x 1080p resolution and a peak brightness of 500 nits. The non-Pro Redmi Note 10 5G packs a dual camera array at the back, unlike its elder sibling. It includes a 4.8MP primary lens and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies and video calling purposes, the device comes with an 8MP selfie shooter at the front. Coming to the internals, the device packs the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC, which is a 5G-supported chipset based on the 7nm architecture. It comes with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. The device also packs a 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Moreover, it comes with an IR sensor, USB-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and dual SIM support. There are four color variants of the Redmi Note 10 5G, which include white, blue, gray, green, and blue. The device, similar to the Pro variant, runs the Android 11-based MIUI 12.5 out of the box. Price and availability. Coming to the prices of the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G. The devices come in various configurations. The devices will become available to buy in China starting from June 1st. Plus, Xiaomi is offering a 100 yen discount across all its products, including the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro that launched alongside the above devices.